biochar moves closer to real-world use in cold paving trials. Verde Resources and Ergon Asphalt and Emulsions are taking their biochar collaboration into a more commercial phase through a new 10-year agreement focused on cold paving applications. The agreement builds on work that began in October 2025 and moves the relationship beyond early technology validation. Under the deal, Verde Renewables, Verde's primary U.S. operating subsidiary, will act as a preferred vendor of engineered biochar for use with Ergon's emulsion products in cold paving applications. The near-term focus is commercial field projects. These projects are expected to test how engineered biochar performs when used in pavement preservation and road maintenance applications that rely on cold paving methods. Cold paving is often positioned as a lower energy alternative to hot mix asphalt because it can reduce the need for high temperature production. For public agencies, contractors, and infrastructure buyers, the key questions remain practical ones: performance, cost, ease of use, approval timelines, and consistency in real-world conditions. For Verde, the agreement could support a move from development stage testing into recurring commercial activity. The deal includes target product volumes, but the company has also noted that future revenue, customer adoption, and market demand are not guaranteed. That caution matters. New materials and infrastructure do not scale on sustainability claims alone. They need field data, contractor acceptance, agency confidence, and a clear role in existing project workflows. The Verde Ergon agreement gives biochar a more defined route into those conversations. Carbon credits add upside, but performance comes first. The partnership also includes a carbon credit component. Engineered biochar can store carbon in a stable form, and Verde and Ergon expect some applications may qualify for monetizable credits. Any revenue from those credits would be shared between the companies if generated. That opportunity depends on more than production volume. It will require project execution, carbon accounting, third-party verification, and acceptance within relevant credit markets. For infrastructure buyers, carbon value may become part of the business case, but it is unlikely to replace the need for proven pavement performance. Ergon brings experience in asphalt, pavement preservation, and customer channels, while Verde contributes its engineered biochar platform and carbon removal strategy. Together, the companies plan to start with applications closest to market readiness before exploring wider infrastructure uses. Potential future areas include additional road construction applications and sustainable building materials. The companies have also identified international expansion as a longer-term opportunity, with Singapore named as an early market for exploration. The global angle is tied to growing demand for lower-carbon infrastructure materials, especially in markets with decarbonization targets, green procurement policies, and large public works programs. However, successful deployment in U.S. field projects will likely be an important proof point before broader expansion. For now, the agreement is best viewed as a commercial road test for engineered biochar. If the material can meet performance expectations, fit into existing paving systems, and support verified carbon benefits, the Verde Ergon collaboration could help define how carbon-storing materials enter mainstream infrastructure projects.